Greetings, Dan Stanius here. This is a very fast demonstration of how to use transpose in Google Sheets. We have this list here in individual rows. I want them as columns. So what I do is I hit the equal sign, equals, and start typing transpose. And now I select the text I want to transpose. So let's just do the first three just to demonstrate. Close the parentheses, and now I've got the first three: Sugar Beach, Long Beach, La Pirogue. And now I can reverse that, and I'm going to transpose those back into three rows, just like that. Super fast, super simple. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.